God, I'm loving my hair right now. So shout out to my rocking chair over there. I don't know. So in this video I'll be sharing with you some glasses I got from some sunglasses I got from Funky Faces. The Instagram name is Funky Faces and their store is called funkyfaces.storeenvy.com. They have glasses as low as $5, $10, and what you're about to see today is just like a hint of what they have. There's one in there that's like my fave. I'm just gonna put that bad boy on right now. These, yeah, like what was I doing without this pair of glasses? How was I living? How was I even breathing, y'all? These glasses are on point. Love them, and I love big glasses like these. You hear my son? I love big glasses like these. But anyway, so yeah, take this off for the intro. So that's what I will be talking about today in today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I don't know if you guys want beats on my hair or not, honey, but if you do, let me know in the description bar below. Please don't forget to check out funkyfaces.storeenvy.com. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye. Funky Faces. This one feels really comfortable on my face. The only thing is it's really like, it isn't my style. I don't like this up here. If this was gone, then bubble. But if you like this, then definitely funkyfaces.storeenvy.com. Yes, cute, right? Cute. This one is definitely my favorite one. Well, one of. It has a little cat eye things that goes up right here, and it is matte. You see that, guys? Matte, and I love it. Beautiful. This is definitely one of my faves. Right? Sexy, right? Oh my gosh, right? Like, what? funkyfaces.storeenvy.com. Bobo, do you hear my son? These ones are just like the ones I showed you, the ones with the matte, but these ones are brown like with cheetah. See that? So nice. I love these. These are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. And it has like a brown, it gives a very warm, like a sepia effect when I have the glasses on. So cute. These now are like among my faves. I wish I had gotten them in black, but I got it in gold because I love gold. And these are the gold aviators. Again, funkyfaces.storeenvy.com. These are nice. These are nice, you guys. Cute. Oh, so cute. Then we have these bad boys, which is not for the faint of heart. Look at this. Bruh, do you talk about like a statement piece glasses? It's like you're walking at the store with your arm bag right here, like.
Hello, is anyone working here today? Hi, yes, I like the pair of.
What? These are hot. These are hot, you guys. I mean, it's okay. It's not really my style, but they're hot. You know. These are some statement glasses. It's like if Mickey Mouse was a vampire. Like, yes, honey, yes, bubba. Photo op. Now these are more angular, and these ones, it's my nose coming in here a little bit. It's slipping down on my nose. So these ones are way bigger than my face. And it's very uncomfortable on my nose. Like my nose isn't broad enough to keep it. It's not broad enough to keep it up. But I mean, if your face is as small as mine, then this could be your go-to, right? So these are cool. Not like my fave, but these are cool, friends. Then baby, you already know I love these, right, guys? It's circular. It's so my style. There's a thin thing right here, not too much, so my style. And it's like a lens within a lens. I have like the black part, then the silver part, and you'd think it will be heavy. It has a little bit of weight on it, but not like heavy where it's going to weigh down your bag. Then we have this circular goddess. What? Oh, this is pretty, you guys. Oh, look at the thing, the handle. Oh my god, these are beautiful. I haven't worn these. I haven't worn half of them because there's so many. Let me tell the ones that I have worn. 1, 2. Yeah, I've just worn these 2. I've just worn these 2. Oh my god, this is so me. So me. I love glasses this big, and I love circular glasses. These are hot, you guys. These are hot. Yes, hunty, yes. Then, oh, we have some more cat ones, but not as dramatic as the ones with Mickey Mouse and crack. I mean, vampire Mickey Mouse. But these are. I hope you guys can see it. These are cute cat ones. Alright, so these are cute. These ones are cute too, you guys. So yeah, these ones are cute too. These ones are cute too. And these are the last ones. Nice. It's like cut off here, like the frame, but then the glasses continues over. It's like a sunset, but not. Cute, right?